Sweet potato cookies. A dessert from Cyprus. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Set aside. Step 3. Cream the butter or margarine with the sugar in a large mixing bowl. Mix in the lemon peel, nutmeg, honey, and egg. Then, stir in the grated sweet potato. Step 4. Blend the flour mixture into the sweet potato mixture. Step 5. Place rounded teaspoons of the cookie dough onto an ungreased cookie sheet. The cookies should be spaced at least ½ inch apart. Step 6. Bake for 7 minutes. Remove cookies from the sheet and cool on a rack. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.